Good morning. Wednesday, the 29th of July. Ryan Fletcher here with Sonia Chen. Markets are already pricing in some very big moves.
They are, Ryan. We've got three high-impact events rolling through the next 48 hours, starting with Australian inflation data tonight.
And that's the headline, really. CPI could shift the entire RBA narrative. We'll walk through what's at stake.
Plus US consumer confidence and some colourful rhetoric from President Trump yesterday. Let's dive in.
Here's the board for the day. Trump took the microphone yesterday afternoon. Anything move the dial?
Not in a sustained way, no. Markets had already priced in his economic messaging. The real question is whether he says anything about trade tariffs or the Fed.
So it's noise unless he changes his tune on policy.
Exactly. Dollar traders are waiting for concrete signals, not sound bites. This was background colour.
Right? This morning, we got US consumer confidence. Forecast 92.4, previous 91.2. That's a solid uptick.
It is. Consensus expects a 1.2-point bounce. Reflects the idea that consumers are feeling slightly less pinched. Employment's holding up, inflation's cooling.
If it beats, if it misses,
A beat strengthens the case that the US consumer can absorb more rate cuts without buckling. That supports the dollar. A miss signals fatigue. Could weaken it.
and either way, people will read it as a watch for September Fed moves. Now, Sonia, RBA Governor Michelle Bullock is speaking tonight, Australian time. What are ears tuned for?
Everything. Bullock's been cautious on rate cuts. The board meets in September. If she hints that CPI, which lands tomorrow night, might justify easing, the Aussie could reverse hard.
She controls the framing then.
She does. The market's expecting the RBA to pause at the next meeting, but if inflation data surprises lower, her tone could flip that entirely.
So we're watching Australian CPI and Bullock's tone tonight. German inflation Thursday morning. Consumer confidence is already in. Solid uptick, as we've said.
All three pairs, AUD, USD, EUR, have room to move. The next 24 hours shape September policy for two of the world's biggest central banks.
Right. Keep an eye on our free journal and the PIP Insight letter at pipinsight.co.uk. Analysis, context, the stuff that matters. This is education, not advice. Trade at your own risk and with proper risk management. Sonia, thanks for your time.
Always a pleasure, Ryan. Catch you next time.